And now using the past simple in case studies. If you remember in one of my previous videos, I said that present simple can be used in case studies, which is true, but in the sense of describing the client in his current condition in his present state. So who is the client? For example, you see here again, Thomas is a 33-year-old man. He explains that he feels his self-esteem, and then this is not present simple, has been gradually deteriorating ever since he was married and has recently become a father is also not present simple, but I'm just focusing on present simple now again. So he says that he can't find reasons to enjoy life. Or again, another client, Leah, is a 24-year-old woman. And so forth. But in many cases, okay, Jocelyn works as a human resources manager. She is becoming more and more stressed. It is a requirement that she keeps up with the change of strategies. She finds that she is working 12-hour days. She doesn't have time for her friends and family, and so forth. But then this is just the basic, like who they are. But when you go back and when you describe a little bit of the history of the patient, or when you talk about therapy that you have already done with someone and you've seen some results, then you use the past simple. So here we have examples from cognitive behavioral therapy. The adolescent was diagnosed and treated intermittently with supportive psychotherapy and antidepressants. Her more recent episodes related to her parents' marital problems, and she was treated using cognitive behavioral therapy. Sam was team captain, but an unexpected fight with another teammate prompted his parents to meet with a clinical psychologist. Sam was diagnosed with major depressive disorder after showing an increase of symptoms, and several recent challenges led the therapist to recommend interpersonal psychotherapy for adolescents. Or Mark had a history of depression and sought treatment after his second marriage ended. His depression was characterized as being so-so-so. The behavior therapist asked Mark to complete an activity record to help steer the treatment. And so forth and so forth. Again, you see that present simple and past simple are both appearing in case studies, but you, I am sure, also understand when one or the other might be used. But here are just some examples, and I'll also post these links in comments, so you can look at that by yourself if you want. So that was it. And next, I think conditionals, coming up.